Welcome back to JJ's Hobbies. This is Jez. This is our third dose of an unboxing. Again, Japanese Dream EX, Mega Dream EX. English, it's called The Set of Heroes. Lovely artwork. So far, we've already pulled two boxes. We've already got a gold. Hoping to hit more, especially the Mega Gengar EX. That'd be wonderful. Let's get it. Okay guys, that's it for the third day. Thank you so much. Remember, check out my eBay page, and like I said, if you like what you see, subscribe, leave a comment saying what card you like. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks guys.